Hi everyone, it's Deb. I have a couple Stampin' Up! Announcements for you. Even though I'm not selling, I'm still technically a demonstrator. So I wanted to tell you a couple things. This is the next paper pumpkin kit, which you have to order by August 10th, which is tomorrow. No, 2 days from now, 3 days from now, something like that. Anyway, you'd have to sign up for it. It's called Sweet Sunflowers. The box is special. It looks adorable. So yeah, and if you want to do prepay subscriptions, do it in August, because that's when Sale-a-Bration is going on, and you can earn free product by placing prepaid orders of, I think, 3, 6, and 12 months, or maybe just 6 and 12. I'm not sure. And then, as far as Sale-a-Bration, these items have been added because a few things are out of stock, no longer available. One is the Pool Party and Soft Sea Foam envelope cards and envelopes, and one is the Tree Lot dies. As of August 2nd, they're out of stock, at least here in the US, and this one was sometime in July. And a couple things I heard were, like, maybe this one and something else weren't available, but they're coming back in. I don't know. I didn't see that on the website, so I'm not sure. But they've added for August, starting now through the end of August, some things that are either in the annual, mostly in the annual catalog, like the Timber 3D embossing folder, free with 50. The Gingham embossing folder, those are both really nice, free with 50. The Seashells 3D embossing folder, which goes with, I think it's called Friends Are Like Seashells, and there's some dies that you can use it with. Brushed metallic cardstock, which I got 2 of this order I'm going to show you. Silver foil pack, 3 different shades of foil, free with 50. And then these craft gift boxes with a window are free with 50. And then some things that are free with 100 are the aspen tree dies. If you didn't get them with that bird, little bird set, I did. So the daffodil dies, the standalone dots and spots dies, which I actually really like a lot, and the flowers of home dies. And I forget which stamp set that goes with. I think Blessings of Home, maybe? Yeah. So those have been added. So if you didn't like the offerings before, maybe you can find something here. You can always use specialty foils. I got 1 of this and 2 of these for my recent order. And one more thing. Starting in September, they're having something called Perfect Partners. And it's only in September. Certain stamp sets, these 2 are, well, this one I know is in the July to December mini Apple Harvest bundle. Apple Blossom, it's called Apple Harvest stamp set. It did not have dies. So they are bringing dies, but only for the month of September, and a bundle if you didn't already get the stamp set. And I had not, so I got this one, because I like the apples, and I seem to remember when I was going through it, I'm like, oh, I wish that had dies. And it does now. Fresh Cut Flowers bundle now has dies also. It didn't before. The Playful Piggy, what's this called? The Birthday Piggy bundle. I don't have that. There's a cute wagon there and things. Tree Trimmings, I got that one. I did not have the set at all, so I actually got the bundle. Waterfall Canyon bundle now. It used to be bundled, it didn't have dies, it was just the Waterfall Canyon stamp set. Excuse me. I really liked that one, but I wasn't sure I'd use it that much, so I didn't get it. And Yeti to Party bundle. The Yeti now has dies. So those will be available in September. I'm going to show you the 2 that I got. just they just came today, Sunday actually, which really shocked me, but anyway. Here they are. So this was available. It's a photo polymer stamp set, and I thought it's nice. I mean, the sentiments, I like the font. Sending Christmas cheer, may your season be merry and bright, peace and joy, happy holidays. And then the two-step tree. There it is. So it looks, I think there were pictures in the catalog that showed you could do this one in like a green, and then this would make it look white, like snow on it or something, and then here you can stamp a garland on it even, or like these. But there's even more options and label dies and bows and things. There is one bow to stamp, and there's some dies to cut that out now, and there's also little ornaments here. There's 3 ornaments you can stamp, and you can die cut them, or there's 3 standalone, well, 2 sets of 3, and the star also, which I like to put on the top of the tree. And then you also have the bucket or basket for the tree. So nice set of dies to go with it. So that made the bundle for me, and I went ahead and got it. And then Apple Harvest is the other one. Look at the pretty apple blossoms and leaves. They look like they'll emboss nicely. And then some, some scallop edging kind of thing. And these cut out the dies in the stamp set. These and these 2 flowers here are this flower. And then these other ones, the branch and these flowers, are standalone. And there's even a label die for the greatest gift is a good friend. Hope you are feeling better. You know, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Thanks for your kindness. So pretty generic sentiments, right? And so those 2 will be bundled with dies starting September 1st, along with the other ones I told you about. And then I had made those cards from a kit that my upline sent me, and I had said in the video where I made them that she had used on all of hers this go-to greetings card, stamp set, excuse me, and I hadn't gotten that one, and I'm like kicking myself now that I see it, because it has 4 different fonts of happy birthday, thinking of you, just a note, and thank you. So this is nice scripty, fancy. Then you have scripty but a little smaller and still really nice. And then I think it's actually 3 different fonts. Thinking of you, happy birthday, just a note, and thank you. And this little one has a hello, which I like to do in a little circle or oval sometimes. Just a little hello. Or you could even put hello, just a note, or something like that. So yeah, 3 different fonts. This one, the little one, and the larger scripty. And I really like it. It looked really nice on the cards that the upline had done. So I got those. I did get another So Saffron and Calypso Coral set of Stampin' Blends, because mine, the brush tips anyway, are about dry. And I did get a repeat crinkle white seam binding ribbon. I love this stuff. I want to make sure I didn't run out of it. The black and white gingham, which had been out of stock for a while and is in. So I wanted that. It is 1/4 inch, which I like. And then also they had this soft sea foam ribbon, and I thought about not getting that because I can color with blends, but I don't know, maybe I do have soft sea foam. Anyway, it's a little bit wider, it looks like, than, maybe it's just my imagination. Yeah, the crinkled seam binding ribbon is 1/4 inch. This is 3/8 inch, so it's a little wider. But I have those soft sea foam and pool party cards and envelopes, so I thought, well, I'll get it and I can use it with those. And then lastly, from Stampin' Up, I got this kit This is a fairly new kit. It just came on, I think, last month or this month. It is called, which it doesn't say on here, and I already took the wrapper off. Uh-oh, hang on. It is called The Best Remedy. I need to leave that out because I have to cut that and put it in the box. And I just thought this stamp set was really adorable. It has this, I guess, raccoon or squirrel or chipmunk. I don't know. It looks like a chipmunk to me. And it says, "A little birdie told me you were under the weather. Feel better soon. I'm here for you. Sorry life stinks sometimes." That's for sure. Even though this stinks, ice cream is the best remedy for this. Well, that stinks. Oh, maybe it's a skunk because of the stink. Yeah, it didn't. Yeah, I guess it is. It's a skunk. Sorry, my bad. And there's a little, I don't know what that is. It looks like a little cap, like a cooking cap. Here's an ice cream. This is an ice cream container. Some flowers. I don't know. Oh, that's a hot water bottle kind of thing to put on your whatever hurts. So that was cute. You get Starry Sky, Stampin' Spot. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, there is a block in here. Okay. Color's pretty. I think that's Granny Apple Green, actually. I just thought on the pictures on the website it looked really adorable. So I wanted to get it while I still had my discount, you know. And they have another new kit too that just came out. It's more of a holiday one, but it has lemons on it. I don't remember the name of it, but it's probably on the website under kits if you're interested in looking it up. So I did get another block. I got some iridescent sequins and these cute little like sequin flowers in yellow. Now this block seems thicker than the last one I got for Paper Pumpkin, but maybe it's my imagination. It's not as thick as the regular Stampin' Up blocks. However, it is thicker. I'm pretty sure this is thicker than what I got before, or I could be just imagining it. And also we got these things, dimensionals. Okay, let's see what it says. The Best Remedy Kit. Here we go. We've got this poor little chickie with the hot water bottle on its head. Even though this stinks, I'm here for you. I didn't see the "I'm here for you," but anyway. Ice cream is the best remedy with this little mouse. That's probably my favorite. Even though last year the mice, we were having a problem with mice, so they were driving me a little nuts. Anyway, also got some glue dots. We got some Starry Sky textured embossed panels. Lots of labels. We got some squares with the corner cut, and then some angled labels. They're angled both sides. Textured pink. Now let's see if it says the color like it does on the Paper Pumpkin. Yes, I'm sure it does. Yes, basic gray, crushed curry, Granny Apple Green, polished pink is these. Pool Party and Starry Sky, which this is Starry Sky. It's lighter than Night of Navy, just so you know. So these are definitely Granny Apple Green. We've got that gingham look going on, which is pretty. And then those are card bases. And then we have a Pool Party Heart, Crushed Curry Polka Dots, and Granny Apple Green panel. And you get 3 sheets of those. Pool Party card bases. Look at these adorable little critters. Oh my goodness. They're so cute. I just thought this was adorable. I especially love that mouse. But that chickie with the hot water the bottle, hot water bottle, I guess that's what it's called. I don't know. Anyway, this is really pretty too. It's all the colors mentioned in a stripe. And then the envelopes are 3 colors. on the flap only. They're white otherwise. So we have the Granny Apple Green Gingham, the Crushed Curry Dots, and the Misty Moonlight Starry Sky Stripe. But they are not on the inside. Maybe Stampin' Up got tired of people just cutting their envelopes up. Probably costs more to color them on the inside too. So anyway, that is the kit, and I am not going to use it today because I'm short of time today. I have had one disaster after another going on in this house lately, and we just had something new happen today. My dryer stopped working. Won't even turn on. Yet the dryer light comes on, so I know that the fuse box is probably okay. I mean, it has its own fuse. Anyway, you don't need to hear all about that, but it's been one thing after the other in the last 2 months. My son is like, I don't want to come to the basement anymore because every time I go down there, something else goes wrong. Like, it's not you doing, you know, it's just this old house. But that dryer is not that old, comparatively speaking. Anyway, you don't need to hear all that, right? Sorry about that. So yeah, this is a really adorable kit. Get well intended, you know, get well sentiments. I like the ice cream. Ice cream is the best remedy for this. And you know, just feel better soon. I'm here for you. A little birdie told me you're under the weather, and then I would put ice cream. Yeah. Even though this stinks, I guess you could put I'm here for you. Yeah, cute set. So anyway, I have now several kits I need to get made, and this being one. Now this is not a paper pumpkin. This is on Stampin' Up's main website only, not in catalogs or anything. And again, it is called the Best Remedy Kit, and it is available now. It's item code 160171. So I hope you enjoyed what I showed you, and I'll be back with another haul from somewhere else. Bye.